Good morning students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Today we are continuing 7th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th. The name of chapter is Directing and it is one of the most important functions of management. In my previous class we have discussed and defined and explained the term directing along with its features. Just to recall it, I want to say that directing is telling people what to do and saying that they do it to the best of their ability. Now, what are the importance of directing, which I have already mentioned. So students, the first point is to initiate action. The employees in the organization starts working only when they got instructions and direction from their superior. In the directing function, the superior directs the actions of employees towards the predetermined goal of the institution. If the directing function is executed successfully, then it results in unity of direction and achievement of institutional goal. Second is to integrate employees' efforts. In the organization, number of employees are working at different level and different job position. The employee may differ in their levels of authority and the types of job assigned, but all are interrelated to each other as they are the part of one institution. Third is means of motivation. Directing function does not mean giving order only, but through the direction and instruction, superior try to motivate the employees to perform their best ability. Motivation is a very important element of directing. Directing functions develop the feelings of belongingness and encourage employees to perform their best ability. Fourth is bring stability and balance in the organization. Directing function tries to create balance in the organization. Generally, when the employees are working at different levels, they develop different attitude and behavior, and the balance between their attitude is made by directing function. Sometimes there can be difference of attitude between the employees and the employer. Here also directing function creates a balance by instructing the people that their interest and organization interest are the same. There is no unchange in the interest of institution and your personal interest. Last is to facilitate the changes. As we know that business is working under different business environment, and these environments are very complex and complicated, and these are keeps on changing day by day, especially technological environment. So generally the employees hesitate in accepting the changes, but through directing function the changes can be implemented more easily, as while giving instruction the superior guide the subordinate that the changes are different for better to them. For example, when the company is planning to computerize its working, generally the employees hesitate to accept it as they are not aware of the technology and its benefit. But when in the directing function the employees are guided that through changes they will also update, as they will have chances of learning new technology which will increase their value in the market. So through proper guidance the employees happily accept the changes. So it is very helpful to implement the changes by convincing and motivating the employees. And once again I would like to recall these 5 points. What is the importance and significance of directing? So as you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have mentioned the first point, to initiate action. Employees will work only after they receive instructions and direction from the superior. Second is to integrate employees' efforts. Number of employees are working at different level and different position. Their level is different and their authority and their type of job assigned is also different. But all are interrelated to each other, and as they are the part of the one institution, and when employees are working at different levels, then efforts are integrated and they are coordinated only with the help of directive function. While issuing instruction, the continuity of work can be easily maintained. And means of motivation, inspiration brings stability and balance in the institution. And last, one of the most important point is to facilitate the changes so that employees does not hesitate in accepting the changes, but through directive functions changes can be implemented more easily. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.